We'll guide you through how to stream on YouTube and Facebook at the same time using OBS. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, we're handing over the guide to Pauser, who's going to continue.
Now the first thing that you need to do is open any browser to your liking. I'm using Google Chrome, and in the search bar, just go ahead and search for atom.tv and then press enter. And then you should land in this interface. From here, you can skip all of these and then click on the drop down for product and then select multi-stream. And now your multi-stream should open, and here just go ahead and click on download multi for free, and then your download should automatically start in the given time seconds. And as for me, I have already downloaded, so I'll just skip this step. You can just go ahead and run the installer and then install it. It is pretty simple. And after installing, you can just go ahead and open your OBS Studio and then go to the docs option at the top, and then from here select multi-stream. After that, you should see the Atom multi-stream. You can just drag this and then keep it anywhere you like. And now let's start by connecting our platform. So the first thing that you need to do is connect your YouTube account. So just go ahead and go to settings for OBS Studio, go to stream, and then click on the drop down for service and make sure you select YouTube. After that, just go ahead and click on connect account, or you can also use stream key if that's what you want, but we are going to keep things simple. And then click on connect account. It will say authorization completed successfully. You can now close this space. So I'm just going to close this and then go to OBS Studio and then click on apply and then click on OK. So you will see this overlay. You can just go ahead and close that by just clicking on the X icon. Now let's add our Facebook. So for that, just go ahead and open your browser and then go to facebook.com and then make sure you are signed in with your account. After signing in, you will see this icon for live video. Just go ahead and click on that. And now just go ahead and click on go live, set up live video. And from here, you can configure your settings. Now just go ahead and configure all of them and then go to streaming software. And now you should see your stream key. Just go ahead and click on the copy icon for your stream key and return to OBS Studio. And then go to this gear icon for Atom multi-stream overlay. And then click on main canvas and click on add output and select Facebook. From here, just go ahead and go to the Facebook stream key and then press Ctrl V to paste your stream key that we copied earlier, and then click on create output. After that, just go ahead and click on OK, and then Facebook output should also be successfully added. Now let's quickly check the OBS output setting before we go live. Just go ahead and go to settings and then go to output from here, but let's focus only around bitrate. For a 1080p stream, around 6000 kbps is a good starting point if you want a setting that works well across multiple platforms. YouTube can generally handle higher bitrate, but you should not automatically use the highest bitrate just because YouTube supports it. If you are multi-streaming, it's better to choose a bitrate that is best suitable for all of your platform. You can also choose your encoder depending on your hardware. If you have an NVIDIA graphic card, you can go with the NVEC option because it uses your GPU for encoding and can reduce the load on your CPU. Once you are happy with the output settings, you can just go ahead and click on apply and then click on OK. And after you are happy with all of the settings, you can now go live. So just go ahead and click on start streaming and click on manage broadcast. From here, you can create a new broadcast or select an existing broadcast. I'm just gonna go ahead and create a new one. You can add title, description. You can add the privacy option and then choose if it is made for kids or not. After that, just click on create a broadcast and start streaming. And now your built-in stream will automatically go live. So we have to mirror that. For that, just go ahead and click on this little stream icon and then just wait for it to load. And now you can see we are live in both of them. So now let's check it. So I'll just open my browser and then open my YouTube. And now you can see in the YouTube, we are now successfully live. So now let's verify it in Facebook. So I'll just go ahead and click on go live and then click on go live. And now you can see we are live in Facebook also.